What's up guys, it's Chris with Globus Gates. We're in the middle of this beautiful installation of the sliding gate. We got very big sliding gate. It's about 20 feet long, 100% aluminum. We got aluminum framing, different size of the slats, which is a perfect example of the job we do. We have 2-inch slats on top and 6-inch on the bottom. Bottom portion gives you way more privacy. Let me show you how it looks from the front of the house so you see how it's gonna look actually from the street side. Check it out. And this is exactly how your sliding gate can look like. We got 100% aluminum slats, 2-inch and 6-inch, which gives you a little more privacy on the bottom of the gate. So let's say if you have dogs, they won't be barking as much at the people walking here on the sidewalk. So we're actually pretty close by to the ocean. We're about 5 minutes away from the ocean here. And guess what? This gate will never rust. Unlike your old style fashion steel gates with traditional designs, we do modern designs which last you forever. And the best thing about this material, like I said, aluminum, it's very lightweight, as you probably know it. So what it means, it puts less pressure on the motor, so the motor, they actually last way longer. And if you decide to go with a manual option, no automatic, you can easily slide this gate over. If you guys looking for the best material, for the best price on the market, by the way, we can guarantee that on paper. For the quality of the material, we guarantee the best price on the market. In-house installation crews, in-house fabrication, what else can you say? The best on the market, the best in the game. We can help you out with that. Check our Instagram page for some other designs we can do for you. Our gates completely custom sizes, custom width, custom height, whatever you guys like, we can help you out with that. So give us a call, schedule your free consultation, or visit our showroom location, which is located in North Hills by Van Nuys Airport. Check it out guys, Globus Gates.